This video tutorial will show you how to create a MyWorkforce student profile. Here are some good things to know before we get started. You'll need an email address to create a MyWorkforce student profile. Make sure the email address is one you check, since it'll be used to send you enrollment confirmations, payment receipts, and class reminders. Let's get started. First, go to the MyWorkforce website. Click on the Login Create Account link here. Under New Students, click on the green Create New Profile button. On the following page, scroll down to start your profile application. You're required only to complete the fields marked with a red asterisk. Once you have completed filling out the profile application, click on the Submit button. You'll be taken directly to the Welcome page of the MyWorkforce website. If you need further assistance, please feel free to call 703-503-6300 or email novaworkforceanswers@nvcc.edu. Thank you for watching.